Today I'm going to show you how to export this into this. So it's quite easy. You just have to, you just need two things, Derrick app and LinkedIn Sales Nav. So for LinkedIn Sales Nav, I guess you already know these tools. You will have to go to Leads and to get your filter as you want. Then when you finish it, just go back to your Google Sheet, and if you don't have Google Derrick app yet, go to Google Workspace Marketplace, download, select Derrick, install it, then you can close this page and go back to Google Sheet. Second step is go to the LinkedIn, the URL here, and copy it. Go back to Derrick, go to the import LinkedIn profile from Sales Nav list. If you don't see this sidebar, you can go to extension, LinkedIn email phone finder, and here Derrick, open sidebar. Then you will see that. Go to import LinkedIn profile, because now we are looking for LinkedIn profile. Paste now the URL you just get and click on import, and Derrick will do a new page and will import all the data from there to there. As you can see, it starts, and we have already 25 profile. If we checked Charlene Emery, Oli Cochot, and Clément Chalençon, it will be on this page, I guess. Clément Chalençon. Okay, so that's all. It's quite easy. You just have to do these two steps and it's finished. See you soon.